Thank you, Sarah and Margot. And so great to hear from the young leaders. Really, in some ways, the young leaders are more directly invested in sustainable development. Okay, so thank you everyone for your participation, and a special thanks to all the speakers and panelists for sharing their ideas and knowledge. And we would like to thank Suzanne Eriksson and her team at the External Relations at SSE for their support in organizing this event. And you are now welcome to drinks and mingle in the atrium outside, and to simultaneously look through the project posters of our Global Challenges program students. Thank you.